All right, Andis just blessed us with a brand new trimmer. It's a hell of a trimmer. I've been using it for a week now. This trimmer is pretty much the same trimmer when it comes to the battery and motor as the previous Andis GTX. But this trimmer has an upgraded blade tensioning system. It's called the M-Force Blade Tensioning System, which helps the blade run cooler, quieter, and keeps the same consistent blade speed. All right. I really can't explain the technology to like the exact, but it really improved the way this trimmer performed. It cuts smooth for balding out, for lining up. It's on my station. I've been using it for about a week now. I love the trimmer. I'm gonna keep using it. I'm gonna put it in my rotation. I got a couple vids to show you guys of me using this trimmer all week long on a couple heads, straight hair and curly hair. So stay tuned. All right, last but not least about this trimmer, it came 0 gap right out the box. I didn't have to do any adjusting to it. I didn't have to do any sharpening, anything. I just took it out the box, charged it up, went to work. It does come with a charging dock as well. If you like this type of content, like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment, let me know if you're gonna buy this trimmer or if you're not gonna buy this trimmer. Peace out.